Hi again. What I've done is I've sliced this off. I've got this out. There's no way that I could have drilled that out and saved the nut. So what I've done is I've chopped it off and I'll make a little cap for that to go over. I'll drill a hole through it. I'll MIG weld a new nut on there and then I'll weld it back up. Now, on this side here, I've already made some cuts. So I'm just going to cut this one off. Just trim a little bit more off this. Ooh. And what I'll do is I'll do the same on this side. Give it a good clean up with a wire brush. And make a cap. Nice cap, nice cap. Make two of those nice plates with a hole in. New nut, new bolt, get it all lined up, tack it, and put the arms back on and then underseal it properly. So that's just one of the many jobs I'll be doing on this car, and as I do the next job and the next job and the next job, I will show you on YouTube on what I'm doing to make this car from a very much loved car but worn out to a very much loved car, not worn out and serviceable and ready to rock and roll.